तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है सेगमेंटेशन। ओके, सेगमेंटेशन ये भी एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है फॉर 8 मार्क्स। सो segmentation is a memory management scheme that divides users' logical memory into variable sized blocks. Okay, each segment represents logical unit of program like main function, array, data, or stack. Okay, logical address is generated by the CPU where segment number and offsets. And this is the diagram. Diagram is very important. Okay, CPU, S is a segment number, D is a offsets. So segment में basis limit होता है. This is the segment table. Okay, here is the loop. If true, then it goes to physical memory. It falls, then trap, then addressing error. Okay, so here is the description. Okay, जो मैंने अभी आपको बताया वो यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है. So next point, protection. With each entry in segment table associated validation bit 0. Okay, read, write, execute privileges. It reflects programmer's view of memory, not system fixed view. Okay, एज ए फिफ्थ पॉइंट अब आप ये लिखो, सिक्स्थ में ये लिखो और सेवेंथ में ये लिखो. ओके, now fragmentation. So fragmentation refers to the wastage of memory space that occurs when a memory blocks are allocated and freed in such a way that available memory is broken into smaller pieces. It reduces memory utilization and system performance. Okay, fragmentation is made of the two types, internal and external. So what is internal? Allocated memory is maybe larger than requested memory. The size difference is memory internal to partition. External memory, total memory space exists to satisfy a request, but it is not contagious. Okay, so these are the advantages and the solution for this, and this is a cause. Okay, so अब तक मेरे चैनल को आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करो ताकि मुझको मोटिवेशन मिलता सके और मैं नए नए वीडियोस आपके लिए ला सकूँ. और ऐसे मैं एग्ज़ाम के बारे में इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक पढ़ाती हूँ. गो एंड वॉच माई चैनल. बाय बाय.